Hello everyone. Today's video, this is just a little chatter. I would have done it in a base video, but it's the evening time and my hair looks a mess and I'm just tired and things. This was actually going to be a 2-in-1 video because I have some cards that I've made to show you guys, but I'm going to do that in a separate video. So, in one of my previous videos, I talked about my goals for 2015. So, I started thinking, well, I need to make these goals measurable and actionable. I don't know if you heard of it, but there's a website called Creative Live. And what they do is they have free online classes on different topics. They're free when they're broadcast live or when they have rebroadcast, but you can purchase the classes also. They range from anywhere from $19. I've seen the highest ones be about $149 for one class. I decided to, there's a couple of them that I have purchased. They do have sales on them when they are currently in broadcast. They'll say you can buy this class for $79 and then after a certain date, it will go up to $99. So one of the classes that I brought was basically about being a better blogger, and it's by April. Oh goodness, I can't think of her last name now. I know it's Bowles Olin. There you go, April Bowles Olin. She's out of Blacksburg, Virginia, and she's the owner of Blackbird Bell. So I just started, I was taking that class and I'm just thinking and trying to figure out how to make my blogging experience more pleasurable for myself and for you guys. So, so I've just been sitting down. So I said, well, let me bring out my goals and try to figure out how can I make these measurable and actionable. Well, I came up with creating, basically, that's what's going to help me with this, is an editorial calendar. So, let me put it this way to you so you guys can see. So, my first two goals have to do with posting 3 times a week, and I said 3 times a day on here, but it's supposed to be a week. Creating 3 posts 3 times a week, and then I wanted to become more active on social media. Create monthly themes, a series of spotlights. And then this is just a couple, like 3 cards, 1 stamp set. I have this one. Use your stamp stash. If you there's always challenges, especially around this time of year, where there's challenges. Use your stash. But I have over 300 stamp sets, and there are some that I haven't even used. I have some like from Pink by Design. She's my largest collection, and a lot of them I haven't even used yet, and she's no longer in business. So, I wanted to have, maybe like a little series on, using those stamp sets that you've never used before. I wanted to create teachable content. I'm not sure on how I'm going to do that one yet. So, it's a goal, but it's not a major goal on my list. The create a photo gallery, monthly photo gallery. This is something that I see Mary from Cards TV does. Amy R. Does it also. And Stephanie Bernard from the Stamps of Life. She has one from her design team that she does. And then there's one that will come out for the people that post to her gallery, showcasing their creations with the stamp of the month, the stamp club set for that month. So she has one. Okay, see what I write? Oh, this one is just sell more of my cards and products. I'm not sure. It's on my list, but it's not really big on my list because I'm not even sure if I'm going to keep up with Close to My Heart yet or not. Um, get my craft room organized. I'm actually working on that one now. I had my shelves, the way they were stacked up, they fell on me this past weekend and it really hurt my back. So I had no choice. I had to throw out stuff. So that's a project that's underway. And then building my brand. And to me, with building my brand, that's going to come to me with doing these other items. You know, keep being consistent with my posting and things like that, and having content on my blog that I think that my readers will appreciate. That will also feed into building myself as a brand, or or a personality or whatever. So that's, to me, is going to come along with time. It's nothing that's going to be achieved this year. From what I've read and doing my research, it's something that takes time. Nobody does it and it's an instant success. So, well, not a lot of people, I should say, because I have seen some. But it's just something that takes time. So one of the things I have here into tracking how often am I posting to social media and to my blog is to create an editorial calendar. So this is my editorial calendar that I came up with. It has this is the whole month of January. Of course, there's nothing in it right now because I'm just filling this out. Then I put the week of in each purple bold area. And so what I have on here is, content type, which is, what is the main post about? That's the way I'm describing it. And so that's something like if I'm posting on the Close to My Heart Stamp of the Month. So I'm going to have Close to My Heart Stamp of the Month right there. Content structure. Is it going to be a blog post? Is it going to be a tweet linking back to my store? An Instagram picture or something? That's where that goes there. Published topic. So I might have, Close to My Heart Stamp of the Month right here. But right here, the topic may be, this moment. That's the current January Stamp of the Month. I might put that right there, or straight to the heart. That's one of the blog posts that I just put up last week. So, a draft due date. One of my goals is to have things done ahead of time. So I want to make sure I have it written before it needs to be published, so I can go back and review it. I want to have a post date. And then over here, published destination. So I have my blogger, because that's my main blog, my main platform for everything. Then I have a Close to My Heart blog, which is on WordPress. My Facebook page, Twitter, YouTube if I'm doing a video, Google+, Pinterest, Instagram. Then I have posts to galleries. I didn't put all of the galleries that I posted because it would have been a crazy spreadsheet and I didn't want to do all that. So I have the Stamps of Life, definitely. Split Coast Stampers. My what is this, Paper Craft Planet. I don't really post there too much anymore, so I might change that. I might move that out and put something else. Scraps of Color, which is a community. Jaded Blossoms Facebook page. Then I have other Facebook groups, so like ones like if I'm participating in a challenge, there are other groups that I belong to that I can post my creations at. So hopefully this is going to get me organized. I have a habit of writing things out multiple times, but then I lose it. So hopefully I'm going to try to centralize everything. Let's see here. Okay. So, and also in trying to do my posting days and stuff like that, I decided to come up with a little schedule. So, well, hold on. I'm sorry. Going back to monthly themes. One of the things that I saw that I liked was on somebody's, it was like a a blogging planner thing that I saw. They had in there where you can write your monthly themes and your goals for that month that you want to accomplish. So I just have it written down. I'm actually going to create a sheet for that also. So for the month of January, my monthly theme is Valentine's Day. So I'm trying to create getting ready for Valentine's Day. So I decided to create Theme Day Thursdays. So Theme Day Thursdays are going to focus on projects around my monthly theme. So this Thursday is going to be a post on a Valentine's Day card that I created. And then now the monthly themes, it may be like broad themes like Valentine's Day cards, love cards, birthday, but I may also choose a stamp set that I haven't used. Yeah, and each Thursday there's going to be a project using that stamp set or Cricut cartridge. That's why I had this out. I printed out the library subscription thing. So you pick a cartridge and stuff and say, okay, each Thursday I'm going to create something for this cartridge. So my goals for this month are to start planning and creating projects for next month. To start planning my stamp set stash projects. So I need to pick out a stamp set that I want to use and start creating with that. That it may go with Theme Day Thursday, or I may do like maybe like a special series, like 1 week. That's all you're gonna see. I'm not gonna keep to the regular scheduled programming. And also, this is another one that may be like a special series or something. Create a post for inspired by Pinterest. So the way that my schedule I have so far is going to be Mondays is, y'all looking at this upside down, sorry. Mondays is make a card. It's going to be make a card Monday. Let me see here. Tuesdays is going to be like when I'm going to post my Close to My Heart specials and campaign information, and it may be a project using that stuff or something. I don't know yet. I haven't figured it out. Wednesdays I'm taking a break. Though this may be a day where I'm scheduling my blog posts and stuff like that, or I'm going to be creating throughout regardless. But it's just that I'm not having anything posted. It's just a break time. Maybe spend a day brainstorming things. Thursdays is going to be Theme Day Thursday. Friday is Fun Day Friday Challenge. That's the design team that I'm currently on, and their post is on every Friday. I don't have anything here for Saturday, because Saturday is going to be like Wednesday, mainly because Saturdays is when my daughter has cheerleading competitions, so I don't have time for much. Sundays it's going to be Red Carpet Studios. This is every other Sunday for me, because I'm on design team A, so I don't have to post every week. So that's what I have so far. This is my thought process going into 2015. So thank you for joining me, and come back soon for another video. Bye bye.